Where does the name for the Afon Taf, or the River Taf, come from? So today I'm in Cardiff, in Caerdydd, and this river behind me that goes through the centre of the city is called the Afon Taf. Let's get into the name. The name for the Afon Taf, or in English the River Taf, has ancient roots, and to understand it we have to go quite far back into history. The Tav, like many river names across Europe, is a preservation of a very old word. For some reason, river names change slower than other place names, and so preserve old forms of languages, and sometimes other languages better. There are many theories as to why this happens, but the most compelling one I've heard is that they simply matter too much as landmarks and geographical locations to change the name casually, along with the fact that, though they may change course slightly, it's quite rare for a major river to stop flowing, or a new major river to arise. Here we have a name that's from Brythonic, or Brittonic, the ancestor language to Welsh, but with deeper roots than that even. The Romans recorded the river name as Tamion, which appears to be a borrowing from Brythonic, spoken here at the time. Originally the name was thought to mean dark from the root tam, but now it's most likely from a Proto-Indo-European root ta, meaning to flow, but may have just been a more general name for a river, according to Rivett and Smith in The Place Names of Roman Britain. This puts it into a group of river names in Britain and beyond, with the same meaning, but slightly different constructions, such as the Tawe, the Teviot, the Tone, as well as the Teme, the Tamar and the Thames. The river has two starts, the Taff Fechan and the Taff Fawr, the lesser and greater Taff respectively, which merge just north of Merthyr Tydfil, before eventually flowing into the sea in Cardiff. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well sometimes, come on my Patreon, links in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.